Hey, what's up, Theta Network Holders? So it's game hour, my brother. Completely the game is hour now. So Theta Network Holder, today video I have good news, my friend, for all of you. And absolutely in this video I also predicate this coin. So let's see, my brother. The last tournament chart is on the screen. Let's see. But first of all, I want to show you, my friend, the update. This time, my brother, the change occurring will be negative now and completely go in the loss now, my brother. But my brother, why predicate this coin? So exactly, my friend, make sure, my brothers, to I see good news, my friend, for all of you. So because, my brother, after a fail, everybody know this, to after a fail they will take a jump. So therefore I know, my brothers, the arrow is moving upward now. So I know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will moving upward like this, especially like this. So exactly, my friend, after a fail they take a jump. So therefore I know to after this fails they also take a very huge jump. Now I expect very good now from that. But let's see, my brother, this is a cryptocurrencies, and absolutely they just only depend on holder. To if a holder are starting selling, people are starting investing. So there if a holder are starting buying, if people are starting investing. So therefore, my friend, the coin is moving upward now. Otherwise, if the coin, my friend, holder are starting selling, so they will face down, and absolutely they will dumps down. So therefore try to understand, my brother, this all depends on holder. But I just only, my friend, predicate this coin they will move upward. So which speed, my friend, they will move upward, and they will give you a profit or not, my brother. So therefore Theta Network, one of the fastest coin, my brother, in the crypto market. And make sure, my brothers, to every month this coin is in the end of month especially moving very upward very fastly now. So therefore I know the Theta Network is also moving upward, especially in those days, because my brother, Theta Network, especially from last days, very badly fails down. So therefore I know to after a fail they will take a huge jumps now. Let's see, my brother, my prediction is completely go on the positive now. And I know, my brothers, you need to hold and don't sell it, and just in only, my friend, if you want to profit. So I think especially just in only you need to wait for the end of this month and sell it at the end of month. I hope they will give you a very good profit now. Let's see. Before, please, I will give you opinion. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification now. So, my brother, my opinion is to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.